guys, welcome to the channel. And I'm so excited with some pink. We're gonna do this fame ending cat makeup look that you have seen all over social media. Really fun because we're gonna talk about different things, makeup. And before starting this video, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You guys can see that this eye, it's really red. It's because in the morning I was dancing with the little one. I was carrying him, and then suddenly he poked my eye and it's still red. Like, it hurts a little bit. Like, I feel like I have my contacts because I wear contacts, and I feel like if when your contacts bothers you, that's how I feel my eye. Hopefully tomorrow it gets better. But oh my god, I was like crying. Like my eye was crying. But anyways, let's start with some primer. I'm gonna use this one from Maybelline. I was between this one and the e.l.f., but I don't know where is it. So excited to be back. It's been hard to adjust, but I think we're gonna do that in another video. Let's talk about a lot of makeup because I feel like we haven't talked about since end of January, beginning February. We've started to see other makeup brands launch makeup products. Coquette makeup look. I think the face, we're gonna keep it simple, lightweight, not too much makeup on the face, because I feel like that's what it is, like the vibe. You can elevate it, work a little bit more the eyes. It depends how dramatic you want this Coquette makeup look, but I feel like you can adjust it the way you want. So the face, I really want to keep it lightweight. Like, let's say the highest would be like medium coverage. About medium coverage, I don't know, I wanted to this one, but it's not actually my shade. You guys know that we did a video for this one, but I feel like I want to use it. So let's use it, and maybe we're gonna combine it with another foundation, because you guys know that this is not my actual shade. So we're gonna be using the Kylie Cosmetic Power Plush foundation. And in case you guys missed that video, I'll link it down below, because I think the last time I uploaded was maybe 2 weeks ago. I don't remember. But let's keep blending this out. Basically, this foundation is the first foundation that we tried starting this year, and I cannot wait for the rest. I've heard, I don't know if that's what's gonna happen, but I heard that years ago, lightweight tint for the face was really trending, not too much makeup. And this year I heard that we're gonna go a little bit more, maybe like to medium coverage, not high coverage, but up to medium coverage. It's not gonna be, the skin is not gonna look lightweight with lightweight foundation or skin tint. It was gonna be a little bit more makeup, which actually I'm kind of excited, because I feel like I got bored of just skin tint, lightweight. I know we're like those days that you want to be like that, but I don't know, I just got too tired of it. I can see this is not actually, mix it a little bit with the Milani Glow. I just wanted to add a little bit, not too much, because this one, I feel like it's a little bit too yellowish. This is warm. I think maybe I should have got neutral. I'm gonna blend it. Yeah, it's too yellow. I feel like it's too yellow, because I don't think my skin looks like this, especially when I'm tan. But yeah, like I feel like it's much better like this. It's a concealer. It's also gonna be lightweight, too much heaviness underneath the eye. So I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer. I think I want to switch concealer, want to try something else, and I'm not gonna go underneath the eyes really heavy, because like I said, like the makeup underneath the eyes, I wanted to keep it not too heavy. So using non-stop all the e.l.f. concealers, and like I really want to switch. It's been it's been a while, like really a while. So I don't know, like I don't know which concealer should I try. I heard like the Hourglass, because I don't think there's a drugstore concealer that it's new. Is it? I don't remember. I still have the other e.l.f., which is the Camo Concealer, which you guys know it's a little bit more heavy, more like a full coverage concealer. But I definitely need something else, something new. Like I'm still like orangey. I don't know why. I'm gonna use a bronze stick. I'm gonna be using this one from Merit, which is a bronze bomb. This is in the shade Celin. And then we're just gonna have some shape on our face. Oops. And talking about bronzer, did you guys purchase, or were you guys interested in, hold on, let me get my brush. Were you guys interested in the new bronzer of Ren Beauty, which is the Grande makeup line? Because I was so in love of the blush that which we're gonna talk about it. I remember, I think, I don't know which one of those two, looked it up when they launched. I think it was the bronzer, which I think was a little bit more expensive than the blush. But obviously, like the bronzer, you guys know that they did it the same as the highlighter, which you guys know I love. I have it over here. You guys can see I'm making a hole, which means that I've been using non-stop. So interested in the blush, which is so cute. Like also the packaging was completely different. Gorgeous, gorgeous. The blushes that are pink are coming out, but the blushes that are gonna be trending this year is the peach. Since last year I started liking it, because for blushes, for me, I like a soft pinks on my cheeks. Blush for this head makeup look is really pink, and the blush goes all the way to the side part of your eye. It's really extreme for the blush, so it's really pinky, and my favorite one I've been using non-stop, and I've been using it. I will be using it until I finish, so I'm going to use this one from Wet n Well from the Care Bears. I really like, this is the actual pink that I really like for my cheeks. Sometimes more like a mauve or something like this for the winter, but for spring and summer I really go with this kind of pink. So we're gonna go all the way in, and then we're gonna start with the blush, and then we're gonna go, oh my god, I think I broke it, all the way up and a little bit on the top of the eye. So basically that's what the Coquette makeup look is. You guys know, you've seen it all over social media. And then we're gonna start, I feel like we're gonna add more. Oh, by the way, you guys saw the blushes from Milk Makeup? They're so cute. I think, I don't know if they sold out. I feel like they did. Jelly blushes. They're so cute. The packaging was cute. Bought them. I've got the pink one. Like I said, go with always with the pink. But they're so cute, and then there's like nothing out there like that. Get a little bit of powder just to set underneath the eyes. So after setting the face, let's go with the eyes. The eyes, you guys can do it, like I said, dramatic pink with this Coquette makeup look, or soft pink, however you want to do. So I feel like we're gonna go in the medium side. So I'm gonna use this one, which was the Secret Admirer from Colourpop. I don't know if it was a year or 2 years ago, I don't remember. What I'm gonna do is use this color, which is called All Night, and it's gonna be very simple on the eyes. So I'm just going to start blending this out and then go out a little bit. The cute palette that I saw that they launched in February was, well, basically in this month, so we're still in, was the Colourpop palette. I almost purchased it, but I don't know, like at the end I didn't. Like the packaging was so cute. I did the blushes, they did it now like a powder blush, like a stick blush, but they did it in those heart shapes, which I thought was so cute because you guys know they nailed with the hard blushes. Blushes, you can use it for the lips too. Right now that we're talking about palettes, the Kim Kardashian palette that she launched. So I think the eyeshadow, we're just gonna leave it like this. And then I think with the same brush, we're gonna use this pink. I would really use this one, but so we're gonna go over this one. Oh, you know what? This one, In the Mood. We can use this one, In the Mood. My nails just broke. And then just put it on top. And then we're gonna work this out. This is so cute and creamy. I think I'm gonna be using more of this palette. There's a lot of small palettes that I want to keep using because I feel like, I don't know, like for example, Beauty Creation with Rosie McMichael. I also feel like I haven't played with it. Oh, also Beauty Creation and Luis Torres. I haven't used it a lot. So I don't know, I feel like there's a lot of palettes that I haven't been using and I really want to, you know, play with it. The powder or the baking that we were doing a little bit. Lashes, we're not gonna put lashes because it's really up to you. I want to keep it girly, simple, not too much. I don't know, I don't want to add too much on the eyes because I feel like just the pop of this Coquette makeup look is the pink blush, the pink bows, the pink eyeshadow, makeup. So I don't know, like I want to make it kind of even. Want to go beyond in this Coquette makeup look. You can put lashes, it's really up to you. But I'm going to using the Tres Luce Beauty Mascara, which I don't know, like hopefully they're going to come back this year. I'm really like want to know what's going on. But yeah, so we're going to apply mascara on the top and lower lashes. Setting mist, my favorite highlighter, and after that we're gonna go with the lips. So I don't know what happened and cut off, but I'm using this lip liner from Beauty Creation and Rosie McMichael. So after that I was showing to you guys the Physician Formula lipstick, which is called Breakfast Club, which it's too pink for me, but we're just gonna tap it in. Yeah, like this, because I feel like it's, oh, I like it. I actually really like it like this. Oh, I really like it. Oh goodness gracious. Okay, so I think I'm gonna be using this one, and then on top of that I'll be using the Morphe and Sour Patch Kids gloss, which I absolutely love it. I think I'm gonna be finishing this year because I used it non-stop. Really like it. Maybe I should add a little bit more pink on the outside, but wow, I really like how it looks. Oh, okay, now I found my cherry lips combo, and then now I'm using this pink glossy. Oh, I'm so excited. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was the Coquette makeup look, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a video, which it's twice a week. My social media down here so you guys can go and say hi, and then also don't forget to give a thumbs up. It really helps the channel.